Gentlemen of the press, welcome to Abraka. I thought I should invite you here today, this evening, to make one or two comments about the just concluded governorship elections in Delta State. As you all know, those events took place on Saturday, the 9th of March, but not without incidents in several places. As a matter of fact, we thought, and I believe most Deltans believe, that those elections, if or when properly conducted, APC should have won. And we believe up until a few hours to the conclusion of the polls that we were winning. Unfortunately, just after midday, thugs, uniformed persons working in cahoots with the PDP in Delta State started to rain terror on our agents and defenseless voters. We went from polling unit to polling unit, either snatching ballot boxes, or where they saw that the APC had made significant gains, they destroyed the ballot papers in those places, under the watchful eyes of persons wearing uniforms. We do not know if they are fakes or if they are members of, if they are people or persons employed by the state. But suffice to say that these dastardly acts happened under the eyes of persons wearing uniforms. It happened in almost all the local governments in Delta State, without exemption. For instance, in Burutu and Bumadi, and probably in Warri Southwest, voting started on Friday evening. We made several complaints to the authorities, but nobody heeded our calls. On Saturday, it became apparent that indeed some persons had actually started their usual practice of undermining the electorate in Delta State. But we thought it would be a restricted area or a restricted incident localized to certain riverine communities. But when it started in Sapele, in Ubie, in Udu, in Ughelli South, in Okbe, in Delta Central, in Okwani, in Ndukwa West, Ndukwa East, Ika Northeast, Ika South, Oshimili, and Yocha, in Delta North, it became clear to us that the PDP never prepared for any elections whatsoever. They know that in an election they will not be able to stand the will of the people of Delta State. So what they simply did was to recruit thugs from outside the state. In some cases we are told that some of those uniformed persons are actually thugs of the PDP. And it is with the aid of these thugs, with the aid of these clandestine persons, that they were able to undermine the will of the people of Delta State. The people of Delta State, as you can see, are in mourning because the will of the people has not been expressed in those polls. I want to quickly say here that yesterday we made an inductive analysis of the situation and we called upon INEC to take a decision to disrupt, suspend further announcement of those results, because the results that were being announced were far in excess of what we know could have happened in the state. The INEC accreditation records from their database corroborates what we are saying, that it was not, the voters did not turn up as much as the votes that have been announced. INEC, as of today, has less than 600,000 people accredited, but the votes that have been announced so far in Delta State exceed 1.1 million, which is to say that over 500,000 people who were not accredited voted. That is a very serious issue. We have presented our case to the law enforcement agencies to investigate why this could happen. We have made our complaints to INEC, and of course, naturally, the party is taking a decision to challenge all of those actions in the proper arena. I don't want to say much more than that, but to tell everybody that APC rejects those results that were announced, and we are taking concrete measures to make an analysis of the unit results that emanated from the units, and to ensure that the proper results of these elections are announced. Nevertheless, we are going to make big weather out of the fact that the party, the PDP, were interfering at every point with the process of the elections, which is to say, they did not allow for a free conduct of an election in Delta State. They put themselves in the position of supra-umpire, making sure that they directed INEC and they drove every person who did not cooperate with them away from the scene. Most of our agents were driven away from the collation centers. Collation in certain cases took place outside the prescribed environment for collation to take place at the ward levels. Ward level collation should have taken place at the wards, but where they had their ulterior motives, they made sure that those ward level collations did not take place, and everybody was carted away to the local government collation center, where they drove all the APC agents away. It is the worst election that we have witnessed in Delta State in the past 20 years. The reign of terror, the amount of people who injured and some of those who died, and of course, the accreditation records from INEC testify that PDP were unduly influencing, interfering with the process of the elections, which is to say that the election was neither credible, nor was it free, nor was it fair. We therefore, as our party position has taken, reject the results that have been announced so far. Thank you very much.